Alright. Alright, on the overhead panel, to make the panel come brighter, you go right here. So panel light makes it come really bright, so you can see all the lights. That rhymed. Anyways, what I wanted to show was the pressurization panel. So auto, alternate, manual. So obviously we leave it in auto to pressurize off the FMS depending on the pressure, depending on the altitude. Okay, and also alternate if the regular one doesn't work. But then I wanted to show manual. So manual, right here, you're gonna see the light come on to manual. All right, and then I'm gonna be able to close this. Okay, I hold it. Okay, you see how it moves? That's the valve in the back closing. Now I'm not gonna close it all the way. I'm just gonna leave it all the way open. But all you gotta do is push and hold, and that's it. Okay, and this closes all the way this way, that way. So, and of course, don't forget to put it back into auto, and that's it. Okay, when it's on the ground, this is supposed to be full open, of course, so it can depressurize the aircraft so it can get out. Alright, and that's it. So I'll just turn off the lights because the plane's going to sleep, and that's it.